Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea, an incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good evening, one and all. We are from Chettinad Public School, Karaikudi. Actually, we are from CBSE school. So for the last 13 years, we are running the school. And as part of our school activities, especially for the innovation cell, we started a lot of activities. As part of that school activities, we came over here to participate in 5 days boot camp. Okay, so who are we? The last year, we started our innovation cell. And through our members, we forwarded 7 projects for the Smart India Hackathon 2022 in the junior batch. Out of 7, 3 got selected for grand finale, and we demonstrated our activities perfectly, and everything went on fine. And as part of our the innovative lab, we started working on inventing the devices or go for some kind of innovation in type of devices. With this background, we are coming for explaining the thing, what you call it as miniature device for education, MinUpDev, E²D, educator's elevator device. So what is the function of this device is very simple, customized real-time data generator and broadcaster. So we are from CBSE school, and especially we are following according to the syllabus given by the CBSE, but while demonstrating, there are a lot of inconvenience for the teachers. So especially, we are having a number of schools here and there, a number of teachers working in each school, but every school wants to develop some kind of a strategy to elevate the students' level. So in this aspect, what they are finding, it's very, very difficult. Okay, so what is our problem is, very simple, the educators are struggling in presenting the scenario with real-time data in a customized way in the teaching learning process. This is the major finding, we found it in our faculty members. Okay, so what is our solution? It's very simple. With the use of our device, it's a value-added service for the teachers to get the real-time data from the different sources and present it in a customized way. Okay, so you may raise a lot of questions. What is the real-time data? There are a lot of websites available. If I go and Google it, a lot of information I can get it. But the question is here, the value-added service, real-time data, and the customized one. Okay, so every school, every teacher wants to interact, and every teacher wants to demonstrate the content in a different way. So there are a lot of sources available for providing the data, but how to present according to the needs and requirement, that is our device. As an example, we can use this device for multi-purpose service as a smart education, STEM education, experiential learning, and to prepare the high-tech pedagogical plan. So this is not only for this purpose, it is a multi-purpose device. Scenario 1, it's going to be explained by Mr. Hariharan.
Scenario 1 is that smart devices for space station location and asteroids. We will be locating asteroids, space stations, and satellites, current locations. This is the data provided by NASA. We will give the customized data latitude and longitude wise.
My name is Harnit. Real quick, these zones what you see here are branded by our government as fragile zones where certain activities are restricted. So for knowing the air quality, for students, the teacher can customize and know the air quality of multiple places at once. So why our product over the other product is that the teachers can easily customize and place many air quality of many places at a single software, and they can use it easily.
Project already we developed the devices. Actually, it is based on the microcontroller. So this microcontroller is going to accommodate the program what we are having from the data source. We are going to extract it. More than 40 devices we already devised for the different purposes, real-time tax revenue under the data science, IoT, and etc. things. These are all the list of projects we already developed. Now, when you come for your market analysis, these are all the schools available in your Tamil Nadu, around 58,033 according to the survey of 2020. So now we are not going to focus on all the schools. When you come for the market analysis, we are taking our own district, Sivaganga district. So around 1,500 something schools available. Out of this, we are having around 250 high schools and higher secondary schools available. We are concentrating from the higher secondary point of view according to the relevance. So our team member consists of the Sampath Kumar, I am the head of innovation cell, and Hari Ramesh Babu is advisor, and Siva Kumar, he is one of the advisor, Harneet and Harigaran, these are all the student and innovation council members. Thank you very much.
Who are your current competitors?
So this competitors say, that's why as we defined earlier, there are lot of sources providing the data in the same format. But what we are insisting is the customized real-time data. Okay, so according to that customized real-time data, for example, that's why the showcased, if you go for a website, for example, the current weather data of a particular place, you are able to get lot of data. But what the teacher wants is 5 different places according to the particular theme. I want to get the data and I want to show the comparative study to the student in the sense none of the website is providing. Data is available, customized data, we are going to make it according to our requirement. That is added advantage. So there are a lot of competitors in the sense they are providing the real-time data. Okay, so how we are going to customize it according to our requirement, first thing. The second thing is we are bringing it in the miniature version. The problem here is taking your computer and taking your smartboard, etc. things, we cannot find it in all the schools, especially in the government schools. So if you go for it, so definitely we can programming the thing according to their customized data. The data will be forwarded to the adapted cloud. We are trying to use most of the open source software in order to reduce the cost of the product and elevate the teachers enhance, there is teachers quality. So if it is the case, definitely you can attach it. For example, if you are not having any kind of what you call smart board or computer facility, we can attach a small display along with this microcontroller part so that any school student can use it. That is one of the added advantage.
What is your revenue model?
So the revenue model, you see, we started, for example, in our school, we are having 1,800 students. So last year we started working on that. So with our inbuilt fund, that is in-house fund provided by the management, more than 40-50 devices we developed and then right now implemented effectively in our school. So now after attending this program, we came to our mind to showcase for starting a small business or entrepreneurship shift. So that's why we came forward. So the revenue model as far as concerned is the cost of this microcontroller is very low. Then we are trying to use only the open source data. So the cost what we are going to invest is only for working on the technology what we are going to incorporate in that model. Then this is one of the cost. Then revenue model in the sense we are serving for the educational institution. So even from the social point of view, we are ready to provide to some extent for the government schools and the schools which are not having any technology background for that purpose. So apart from that revenue point, we want to concentrate from the social aspect also.
So basically this is going to be kind of NGO thing. You are not going to charge any.
No, we are going to charge it, but social aspect also incorporate.
How much you are charging for a service?
So actually this is based on the data, how they are going to customize it. So for example, when you take only the space station location, that's a very simple content. We can get it from the open source software and the cost around 300 rupees for the microcontroller plus something for the technology development over it. So this is our real-time data generated from the microcontroller part. For every 1 second, it will update the data. For example, in our place, these are all the 5 eco-sensitive zones. For example, one teacher wants to go for making a comparison of eco-sensitive zones, air quality and other air particles in the sense, it's already programmed. So now we are broadcasting the data, Chitrangudi, Karaveti, Mudumalai, Sarakotai, and Gulf of Mannar, these are all the things.
So what is the innovation in this product?
Actually, the available data, it's a customized way in a miniature device. That is the invention we want to showcase it.
Okay, thank you.
Our data, minimize it and showcase to the student.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. No worries, you can do better.